Hi, I'm Tim Pitchard, Sustainability Coordinator with Five Rivers MetroParks, and this is Conservation at Home. Ideas about how you can help to protect the region's natural heritage, save money and resources, and maintain the well-being of your own household. Today we're talking rain barrels. They're a cost-effective, simple solution for minimizing the amount of runoff generated on our properties, especially in areas that we have downspouts and gutters. This is a great way to save water for irrigation in your garden or landscape and minimize the reliance on municipal sources, therefore reducing your water bill. Rain barrels are effectively any sort of large barrel or container that's been modified to allow rainwater to be collected through the top. In this case, we have a gutter system that flows to a screen and down into the barrel, and then some way to get the water out. This particular barrel has a dual tap system with quick connects for connecting a hose or an irrigation system whenever you're ready to use the water. It's important to either have direct piping into a closed top or a screen top in order to keep mosquitoes from breeding in the water being collected. We want the outflow to be raised enough to allow water to flow out and down into a hose or an irrigation system. In this case, we've just raised it slightly with cinder blocks in order to allow the water to flow out into a flat irrigation system in the adjacent garden. Many systems also have an outflow, which allows you to connect multiple barrels in case you want to save more water between uses. And it's really as simple as that. You can buy a prefabricated rain barrel like this at garden centers or home improvement stores, or learn how to make your own if you have a spare barrel and you're handy with some basic tools. Visit metroparks.org and navigate to Make a Difference, Take Action at Home to learn how to make your own rain barrel and find many other sustainability and conservation tips. I'm Tim Pitchard, and we'll see you next time on Conservation at Home.